Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining the essentials: 1 cup shaving foam with 1/2 cup cornstarch in a bowl, then add 1 tablespoon saline solution. Mix vigorously so the foam traps air and cornstarch binds the water. This creates the cloud texture. Once mixed, press and fold repeatedly to incorporate air pockets. This is why you need foam instead of glue. Make sure to scrape the sides and check consistency. If it's too wet, add 1 tsp cornstarch at a time until it firms. Continue by tuning texture. Knead for 3-5 minutes and add 1-2 tsp water if crumbly, or 1 tsp cornstarch if sticky. Small changes alter elasticity because cornstarch absorbs moisture while saline cross-links polymers. If you want color, mix liquid dye slowly. Start with a drop, because pigments can thin the mix. Once done, press gently to create clouds of foam inside the mass. This aeration is what gives cloud slime its signature pillowy feel, so be patient. Finish by letting the slime rest for 10-15 minutes so moisture redistributes and the texture sets. This step reduces immediate stickiness. Transfer to an airtight container for storage. Humidity will undo your work, so keep it sealed. If it turns too sticky, gradually knead in 1 tsp cornstarch until manageable. If it's too dry or crumbly, add a few drops of saline and knead. One key tip: test a small adjustment first. Overcorrecting is the most common mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.